Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 plastic surgery celebrity cases gone wrong. The term plastic in plastic surgery actually comes from the Greek word plastikos, which means to mold or shape. It does not refer to the use of plastic materials in the procedures. Plastic surgeons use a wide range of surgical techniques and tools to reshape, reconstruct, or alter different areas of the body. Plastic surgery is a medical procedure that aims to alter or enhance a person's appearance. While many celebrities undergo plastic surgery to enhance their features, there have been cases where things haven't gone as expected. Here are 7 examples of celebrity plastic surgery cases gone wrong. Number 7. Amanda Lepore. Amanda Lepore is a well-known figure in the world of plastic surgery and transgender advocacy. However, her journey with cosmetic procedures has not been without its share of complications and alleged mishaps. Amanda Lepore has been open about her numerous cosmetic surgeries, including breast augmentations, facial feminization procedures, and various body enhancements. However, some individuals have criticized the outcomes of some of her procedures, suggesting that she may have experienced plastic surgery gone wrong. Number 6. Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers, a renowned American country music legend, is one celebrity who experienced plastic surgery that did not produce the desired results. Known for his soulful voice and captivating performances, Rogers decided to undergo several cosmetic procedures over the years in an attempt to maintain his youthful appearance. Unfortunately, these surgeries did not yield the expected outcome and led to a noticeable change in his facial features. Number 5. Jocelyn Wildenstein. Jocelyn, also known as the Catwoman, gained notoriety for her extreme and highly publicized plastic surgery procedures that went terribly wrong. Her quest to transform her appearance into that of a cat-like creature led to a series of unfortunate outcomes. Jocelyn underwent numerous facial surgeries including facelifts, brow lifts, eyelid surgery, cheek implants, and lip augmentations, among others. However, instead of achieving the desired results, her face became heavily distorted and unnatural, resulting in a highly unsettling and disfigured appearance. The excessive alterations to her facial features, such as elongated and pointy ears, excessively stretched skin, and excessively slanted eyes, turned her into a subject of ridicule and fascination. The Jocelyn case serves as a stark reminder that cosmetic surgery should aim to enhance natural beauty rather than strive for unattainable and unnatural ideals. Number 4. Tara Reid. Tara Reid, a well-known American actress, unfortunately experienced a plastic surgery procedure that went awry. In her case, the negative consequences of the surgery became highly visible and widely discussed. The most prominent issue centered around the breast augmentation and abdominal liposuction. The breast augmentation resulted in asymmetrical and uneven breasts, leading to an unnatural appearance. Additionally, the abdominal liposuction left her with irregular contours and visible scarring. Her case serves as a reminder of the importance of thoroughly researching and choosing qualified and reputable plastic surgeons to minimize the chances of such unfortunate outcomes. Number 3. Heidi Montag. Heidi Montag, a former reality TV star known for her appearance on the show The Hills, underwent a series of plastic surgeries that garnered significant attention and ultimately resulted in a highly publicized case of plastic surgery gone wrong. In 2010, Montag shocked the world when she revealed that she had undergone a staggering 10 cosmetic procedures in a single day. These procedures including multiple breast augmentations, a nose job, chin reduction, brow lift, liposuction, and more. Unfortunately, the outcome of Montag's extreme transformation was far from what she had hoped for. Number 2. Donatella Versace. Donatella Versace, renowned fashion designer and the vice president of the Versace Group, has had a well-documented history with plastic surgery. While it's important to approach discussions about someone's physical appearance with sensitivity, it is known that Donatella Versace has undergone multiple cosmetic procedures over the years. However, it is subjective to label these surgeries as gone wrong, as beauty standards and personal preferences vary greatly. Throughout her public appearances, there have been noticeable changes in Donatella Versace's facial features. Some critics and media outlets have pointed out that these alterations may have led to unintended consequences. It is speculated that she had facelifts, brow lifts, and a nose job among other procedures. Number 1. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, a legendary musician and entertainer, underwent several plastic surgery procedures throughout his life. While his physical appearance underwent significant transformations, one cannot deny that his surgeries ultimately went wrong. Jackson's journey with plastic surgery began with a nose job in the early 1980s, which he later admitted became an obsession for him. Over time, his obsession with altering his appearance led to a series of additional surgeries, including chin augmentation, cheek implants, and multiple nose reconstructions. His skin tone also became noticeably lighter due to vitiligo treatment and possibly other procedures. The consequences of his plastic surgery choices not only affected his physical appearance but also raised concerns about his psychological well-being. While Jackson's talent and impact on the music industry remain undeniable, his unfortunate experience serves as a cautionary tale about the risks and potential consequences of excessive and misguided plastic surgery. These examples highlight the importance of carefully considering the potential risks and limitations of plastic surgery and choosing experienced and reputable surgeons. It's crucial for individuals to have realistic expectations and engage in thorough discussions with their doctors before deciding to undergo any cosmetic procedures.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.